In the burgeoning world of the metaverse, a unique fusion of ancient wisdom and modern technology is shaping the pathways to prosperity. The ability to decode the numeric language of this digital reality, combined with an understanding of AI and internet dynamics, opens up new dimensions for wealth creation. Here, we explore how numerology, history, and technology intersect within the metaverse framework to create potential wealth generation opportunities. Digital commerce and numerology. The rise of the metaverse has ushered in a new era for e-commerce. Understanding the analytics that drive consumer trends, along with the significant numbers that influence our lives, numerology can open up new avenues for economic growth. The numbers associated with specific products or services, their online presence, and their resonance within the metaverse could profoundly impact their market success. Metaverse trading and historical patterns. AI algorithms underpin trading within the metaverse. These algorithms employ statistical models and historical patterns to forecast market trends. By comprehending these algorithms and the numerology affecting trading behavior, one can make informed investment decisions. Virtual real estate and numerology. In the metaverse, real estate takes on an entirely new dimension. Property values are driven not just by location, but also by symbolic and numerological significance. Recognizing patterns from history and applying numerological insights can yield lucrative virtual property investments. Digital advertising in the metaverse. Advertising in the metaverse goes beyond understanding consumer behavior, and requires decoding the numbers that resonate with users in this new realm. By leveraging numerology, businesses can tailor their online advertising strategies for greater impact and more significant returns within the metaverse. Cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and numerology. In the metaverse, cryptocurrencies gain even more prominence. Understanding blockchain technology, the principles of cryptocurrency valuation, and the numerology that influences trading behavior can guide robust investment strategies. AI tools can further refine these strategies, predicting market trends within the metaverse. Content creation and numerological significance. Successful content creators in the metaverse can derive significant wealth by understanding internet trends, numerology, and their audience's behavior. Numerology can guide creators in choosing themes, narratives, and timing that resonate with their audience on a deeper level, optimizing visibility and monetization. AI innovation within the metaverse. For innovators who can bring AI solutions to the challenges of the metaverse, immense opportunities await. The tech startup ecosystem within the metaverse offers the potential for significant wealth generation, especially when innovations align with numerological principles and historical patterns of success. In the metaverse, the ancient wisdom of numerology intersects with modern AI and internet technologies, revealing a coded language of prosperity. By decoding this language, individuals can navigate the new digital landscape more effectively, uncovering unique pathways to wealth and success.